When you take action and you expect results right away, it will not happen because the universe will sense that you are desperate. If you believe and trust in the universe, you will take massive action consistently, focused on the action, focused on delivering value, focused on acting as if and feeling as if, not attached to the results. Ang trabaho mo, gawin yung trabaho mo. Siya na ang bahalang magbigay sa'yo ng resulta. Kasi again, nailagay mo na yung target na-declare mo na yung target. You are now acting as if nakuha mo na. So you are not attached to the results. There's a fine line between taking massive action consistently versus taking massive action because you are desperate. Yun yung nakaka-burnout. Nakakasunog pag sobrang desperate ka. Pero iba yung feeling pag nagtitake ka ng action na excited ka, na naniniwala ka.